Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Washer Water Inlet Valve. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is what lets the hot and cold water into the washing machine. The main reason to be changing it out is if the solenoids have gone bad, you're not getting water, or the body is cracked and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, first thing we have to do is go around back and remove the water lines from the water valve. Now that we're around the back of the washer, we're going to put a towel down to catch any water that may come out. And then we're going to use pliers to loosen up the hoses and take them off. You want to make sure you remember which one is hot and which one is cold, so when we put them back on, you put them on the right fitting. Once you have them loose, you can just unscrew them by hand. Now the way the fill hose is disconnected, we can open up the console. To open up the console, we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver and remove the 3 screws across the back. Once you have the screws removed, we can flip the console forward. Now that we have the console open, we have access to the water inlet valve. First thing we're going to do is remove the wires. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help take them off. On this red one, there's a yellow with a black, and then 2 white ones with red stripes. All you have to do is use a screwdriver to help pop it off. Then we can release the other one. This one we have to get underneath the locking tab and release it with the screwdriver, and then pull the wiring harness out. Once you have the wire harnesses out, you can swing them out of the way. And then we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws that hold the water inlet valve down. Once you have both screws removed, we can reach down and lift the water inlet valve up and rotate it around so we can remove the clamp and take the hose off. Once you have the clamp moved on the hose, we can grab the water valve and pull it off. Once you have the water hose disconnected, you can pull the water inlet valve out of the washer. Here's the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water inlet valve in, we're going to grab the water hose and push the water valve fitting onto it. Once you have the hose all the way on, you can grab your pliers and move the clamp up. Once you have the clamp in place, we can rotate it over, making sure that the hose fittings go at the openings in the back. And then we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in to hold it down. Now we can reconnect the wiring harnesses. First we'll reconnect the one on the end. This one can only go in one way. And all you have to do is push it in so it locks into place. And the upper one, remember the yellow and the black was on this one, and the double white with the red was on this one. Now that we have the wiring harnesses reconnected, we can rotate the console back up. As you rotate the console over, you want to make sure that the 3 tabs go into the opening on the top. Once you have the tabs in, can rotate it back, and we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in. Now that we have the console put back together, we can reconnect the hot and cold fill lines. Remember, as you hook these up, you want to make sure that you get the hot on the hot and the cold on the cold. To put them on, all you have to do is line them up Remember, this is plastic, so make sure you don't cross thread them. You can just get them finger tight, and then we'll tighten them down with the pliers so we get a good seal. Once you have the hoses tightened down, you can plug the washer back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.